Easy diabetes-friendly dessert recipes, guilt-free indulgence. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a delicious world of diabetes-friendly desserts. Managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up on satisfying your sweet tooth. Making healthy choices is key. And the goal of this video is to share 3 mouth-watering recipes that are safe, nutritious, and absolutely delightful. Let's get started and prove that desserts can be both healthy and indulgent. Recipe number 1, chocolate avocado mousse. All right, let's start with something rich and chocolatey, a chocolate avocado mousse. Trust me, you're going to love how creamy and satisfying this turns out. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado. This gives it a creamy texture and healthy fats. 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor. 2 to 3 tablespoons erythritol or your favorite sugar substitute. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. Let's make it. First, grab a ripe avocado, cut it in half, and scoop out the flesh into a blender. Now, add the cocoa powder, erythritol, vanilla extract, and almond milk to the blender. Blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. If it feels too thick, you can add a splash of almond milk to adjust the consistency. Once it's ready, pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to chill. Trust me, this step makes it even better. And that's it. When you take the first spoonful, you'll notice how rich and chocolatey it is. It's like a dessert dream come true, and all without the guilt. Recipe number 2, berry chia seed pudding. Next up, let's make something light and refreshing, berry chia seed pudding. This one's a breeze to prepare and looks absolutely stunning with those fresh berries on top. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons chia seeds. These little seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3s. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1/2 cup mixed berries, like blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. 1 to 2 teaspoons erythritol or a sugar substitute. Here's how to make it. In a bowl, mix the chia seeds with almond milk and erythritol. Stir it well to make sure the seeds don't clump together. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then give it another good stir. This ensures the seeds absorb the liquid evenly. Cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. When you're ready to serve, top it with your favorite berries. You can even add a sprinkle of nuts or a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor. It's creamy, fruity, and packed with nutrients. Plus, it's so easy to customize. Just swap the toppings to keep it exciting every time you make it. Recipe number 3, baked apple with cinnamon and nuts. Finally, let's make a warm and comforting dessert, baked apple with cinnamon and nuts. This recipe is so simple yet so satisfying, especially on a chilly evening. Ingredients: 1 large apple. Use your favorite variety. I love using Honeycrisp. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 tablespoon chopped walnuts or almonds. 1 teaspoon erythritol, optional, depending on how sweet your apple is. 1 teaspoon melted butter or coconut oil. Step by step. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Take your apple, core it, and place it in a small baking dish. Don't peel it. The skin holds it together and adds fiber. In a small bowl, mix the cinnamon, nuts, erythritol, and melted butter. This will be your delicious filling. Spoon the mixture into the center of the apple, packing it in nicely. Bake the apple for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's tender and your kitchen smells amazing. When it's done, let it cool slightly before digging in. The warm apple, cinnamon, and crunchy nuts make every bite pure comfort food, without the sugar overload. Tips for diabetes-friendly baking: choose smart substitutes. Use sugar alternatives like stevia, erythritol, or monk fruit sweetener to cut down on sugar without compromising taste. Incorporate fiber. Ingredients like almond flour, whole grains, and nuts can help control blood sugar levels. Monitor portions. Even healthy desserts should be enjoyed in moderation. Keep an eye on serving sizes. Experiment safely. Test your blood sugar after trying new recipes to see how they affect you. Conclusion: Enjoy dessert without compromise. So there you have it. 3 amazing desserts that are not only diabetes friendly, but also incredibly tasty. Healthy eating doesn't mean giving up on the things you love. Try these recipes, experiment, and find your favorites. If you have your own diabetes-friendly dessert ideas, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. Until next time, stay sweet, the healthy way,